നമസ്കാരം. എൻ്റെ പേര് ഡോക്ടർ ചൈത്ര. I am senior consultant gynecologist, laparoscopic surgeon, Lourdes Hospital. I am going to discuss about ovarian cysts today. Ovarian cysts are nothing but the fluid-filled sacs in the ovaries. Normally, we have two ovaries on either side of the uterus. When there is a fluid collection in one of the ovaries which is more than 2 cm, we call it as cysts. Majority of the ovarian cysts are harmless and benign. That's a good thing. They are usually a coincidental finding when you come for a clinical examination or for any other checkups. Sometimes they can cause some symptoms like pain in the pelvis or a lower abdomen discomfort, tummy pain or pains during your periods, crampy menstrual bleeding, low backache, pelvic discomfort, or sometimes urinary symptoms and bowel symptoms. These are the symptoms which some cysts can present with. Why does a cyst form in the ovary? Normally, every month during the menstruation, there is the 14th day, around the 14th day of the cycle, there will be what is called as ovulation. During this ovulation, after the egg release, that egg has to disappear or to shrink off. Sometimes because of the hormonal disturbance due to multiple reasons, we can have that retained cyst which may continue to form what is called as simple cysts or functional cysts. These are the ones which just needs follow up and will disappear on themselves over a period of 3 to 4 months. And we may not give you any medications for this. So when do you have to go for a treatment? Do I need a treatment if there is a cyst? Yes, there are something called pathological cysts. They are not just clear fluids in the ovary, but they can be seen as blood in the ovary or collection of blood or an old blood called chocolate cyst or dermoid cyst, or some other mucinous cystoadenoma, serous cystoadenoma. These are the ones which needs for definitive treatment immediately. So what will we do when you come to us in the gynec checkup? We would suggest you to go for an internal checkup to see how big the cyst is, whether they are the true cause for your symptoms, and we also suggest you to go for some scanning like transvaginal scan or in unmarried girls abdominal scan. So these are the tests which will tell us whether we need a definitive treatment. And unfortunately 1 in 10 women, the age can be as early as 6 years, 7 years, or as late as 56 years after the stoppage of period. So you can get this cyst anytime. 1 in 10 women will need removal of the cyst. There are some complications if you don't go for removal, like as you can see in the video, the torsion that is usually seen in a small to medium size cyst about 5 to 6 centimeters. As you can see there, that ovary is torted and is losing its blood supply and is becoming black in color with discoloration. This is a young girl and we are just detorting the ovary and making it vascular again and fixing it so that it doesn't tort it again and drain off the cyst there. So this is one complication. Then you may have a rupture, or you may have what is called as infection, or multiple other problems if we don't go for removal. So the next question is, do I need a major surgery? Yes, we need a cystectomy, which can be done in a minimal invasive approach. That's the best approach for this cyst. So what we do is we go in with laparoscope, and we are like you can see in the video, that is a cystic ovary in which we are pushing a diluted saline so that we separate the cyst wall is peeled off like an orange, as you can see in the video, and that the inside yellowish structure is it's a dermoid cyst which you are seeing in this video, and that is peeled off like this, and the cyst without rupture is taken off and kept in a bag like this. It's a gloved bag in which we are putting this cyst and we are taking out without spilling in the abdomen. That's the best route of doing any cystectomy, that we remove like an orange and put it in the bag and take it out. So this is one of the treatment options for cysts. So Do they have any chance of getting converted into cancer? Less likely. There are certain features which tell us whether they have any features of cancer. An old age lady getting a cyst after her periods have stopped, or cyst which has solid components are the ones, and there are multiple features which tell us it can be cancer. In such cases, we go ahead with a major surgery of removal of all the structures in the pelvis if they have completed a family. So this is about ovarian cysts. So most of the ovarian cysts are benign, harmless, we just need follow up, or very rarely a minimal invasive surgery. So thank you for watching this video. Take care.